Hi. In this video, you will discover some powerful tricks on how to make any man feel fascinated by you and make him constantly think about you and become obsessed instantly. Kindly subscribe to this video and share it as well. Are you sick and tired of men losing interest in you after the first few dates? Do you want to make your man feel fascinated by you? Do you want him to become obsessed with you? Do you want to mesmerize him and get him addicted to you? Attracting and making a man fascinated by you isn't that hard. It involves you pushing the right set of emotional buttons. If you keep making him feel the right feelings, he is going to feel fascinated by you and will constantly think about you. And if you tap the right feelings in the right order, your man will start to see you as his future. It's incredibly easy. Here are a few tips to make a man feel fascinated by you and make him obsessed with you. 1. Play hard to get. He must feel that you are an independent woman who isn't clingy of him. You must act like you've lost interest in him and you don't care about him. I have one phrase for you: play hard to get. Playing hard to get is all about making a man wonder whether you're into him or not. If you keep playing hard to get, the sexual tension will rise and he will constantly think about you. This works because of the psychological trigger, retreat. Humans pursue the things that retreat from them. 2. Do your own thing. Have your own life. Guys love women who do their own thing. Hang out with your friends more than you would with your boyfriend. Be as social as possible. Work on your career. Don't cling on him and expect him to do all things. Expecting him to do everything for you shows that you are needy and dependent. This will scare him off and he'll leave you faster than you think. So make sure that you are independent and have your own life. Here is a sure-shot trick to make a man love you deeply. There is an extremely effective ultra-rare trick, which will make the man you want to fall deeply in love with you. This trick will literally make him feel irresistible towards you and he'll want you deeply. I strongly urge you to click link in this video description below to discover the top secret of making any man constantly think about you and become obsessed with you instantly.